Yo, what's up, BTFL family? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually make money from fitness without being a personal trainer or an online coach. Now, as somebody who used to do in-person personal training and, making some cool money doing that, I realized a long time ago that there's other ways that I could make money without even being a personal trainer. Now, this may seem obvious if you're watching this like, dude, what you about to say, I already know. But the question is, are you actually doing it? And do you understand how much money you really could be making from fitness? All right, so the number one way people are making money from fitness without being a personal trainer, without being an online coach or any of that, is being a fitness influencer, right? And that's basically by just putting out content related to fitness, whether it be TikTok, which I don't really like TikTok. I'll be on there from time to time, but TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram, but mainly YouTube. I basically do YouTube shit like 90%, 95% of what I do on YouTube, all right? Now, the idea is how people are getting paid is, and on most platforms, you get paid by the amount of views that you have, right? So TikTok have their own, monetization program. I think Facebook Reels brought back their monetization. But once again, YouTube is where the damn money at. All right, that's where people are making a shit ton of money from YouTube ad revenue. So how people are doing this by posting content related to fitness. First, you gotta get monetized. Now, to get monetized, you just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, if you feel like, yo, that shit crazy, I can't get all that. Well, the idea is you just got to start, right? And how you can actually get those subscribers faster and get those watch hours is by talking about popular shit in the fitness industry right now. And then if you have another like passion or something, you can get to that. But just to get to the point where you can get monetized, you want to talk about hot shit, right? And a way you could do that is by doing reviews. All right, so if you are into supplements, you take supplements, or you got workout equipment, because I do a lot of reviews and things like that. Like, talk about that. If you have anything, right, you ain't got to buy nothing, right? Look around. If you have something that is fairly popular and people are talking about online, people are searching for it, do a simple ass review. It can be 5 to 10 minutes long. Just talk about your experience with it. What you think about it. Is it worth it? Is it not? Blah, blah, blah. Post that shit on your fitness YouTube channel, right? And you could do that with damn near anything. Supplements, workout equipment. You could even do reaction videos, but I don't really, just getting started. I want, just keep it simple. Start with reviews, all right? Or just talking about, give your opinion on hot topics in the fitness industry. Like them Ozempic shots, right? Like that's a hot topic, weight loss shots and things like that. Different workout routines that come out all the time. Keto diet, different diets. Just get on your camera, get on your phone, and just share your opinion on them. Share your thoughts, right? That's going to get you views. That's going to get you subscribers. That's going to get you to the point where you can get monetized, all right? Now, after you get monetized, what you want to do is keep it going. Keep on putting out content. And you will notice that ad revenue will start to go up, right? You could be making anywhere from an extra $100 a month to $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. There are fitness influencers on here right now making $20,000, $30,000 a month just from YouTube ads. Like, really think about that. Like, really vibe out and be like, damn, just by posting workout videos and doing reviews, people making money like that. But keep in mind, if you're just going off of the views, you got to get subscribed. You do got to get monetized, which could take some time. But the other way that you can make money from fitness without being a personal trainer, without being an online coach, and a lot of people sleep on this, is affiliate marketing. All right, this is how you can start making money from fitness way before you even get monetized on YouTube. So the idea is, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote a product or a service, and for every sale you generate, you get some sort of commission. Certain programs, you get a 5% commission. Some programs, depending on what it might be 50% commissions, right? It all depends on the program. But let me tell you something about affiliate marketing. A lot of people are making a shit ton of money promoting affiliate products, affiliate equipment, in general, affiliate marketing. There are people making a full-time income just by doing affiliate marketing. So I always suggest getting into affiliate marketing. So for example, if you become an Amazon affiliate, we all know about Amazon, right? You become an Amazon affiliate. Anything that you do a product review on, there's a 90% chance that it's on Amazon, right? Now, to be an Amazon affiliate, you do got to get approved. Amazon wants to see that you are active on social media, right? I forget the requirements, but you do need to have some sort of blog or YouTube channel to get approved to be an Amazon affiliate. But once you approve, I mean, you already know. Like anything you do a review on, damn near, you can get your affiliate link, put it down in the description of your video. But you need to understand this. eBay has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. And guess what? If you got a certain piece of equipment, if you got a Peloton bike, if you got a certain treadmill, if you got some resistant bands or any other kind of equipment, all you need to do, go to Google, type that piece of equipment in, and put affiliate program behind it, right? So hypothetically, Peloton affiliate program. They might, I'm not sure if they do, but a lot of companies have their own affiliate programs that you can apply to. And you might not even have to have all these requirements and shit like Amazon has, right? So even if you have something that maybe is not on Amazon or whatever, then just do a simple search on Google and see if that company has an affiliate program. So once again, you can do a review on it, and if anybody want to check it out, just let people know, hey, check it out in the description. Boom, 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 right? Like, you can generate so much extra cash just by being an affiliate, right? And now keep in mind, the things I just told you do not require any sort of, certification, any sort of classes. You don't have to meet with people. You don't have to train nobody. Think about that, right? And this is how a lot of people are making money in the fitness industry. And the cool thing is, if you're watching this, you can start doing this right now. Like right now. All right. Now, one program that I always recommend to people, which is a great affiliate marketing opportunity, as well as something that could allow you to build a monthly recurring income, and that's the Live Good opportunity. So if you want to check that out, I got the link in the description. It gives you all the information about that. But to me, if you're into fitness and you're looking for something to promote like dope ass products, you definitely want to check out Live Good. All right. So I got a lot more videos coming. You already know. Subscribe if you want, and I will see you in the next video.